Shooting in low light challenges and inspires. Let's step into the night and learn the optimal settings for low light photography. Navigate to the ISO setting and adjust. For low light, start at ISO 800 and increase as needed. The Sony A7 excels in high ISOs with minimal noise, allowing for crisp night shots. Set the camera to aperture priority mode by selecting A on the mode dial. This lets you control the depth of field. For night scenes, a wider aperture, like f2. 8 or lower allows more light to hit the sensor, brightening your images. Adjust the white balance manually to capture the true ambience of the night. Select white balance and choose incandescent or fluorescent to complement urban lighting, or custom to fine-tune for specific conditions. Enable steady shot if hand-holding to minimize camera shake. For tripod shots, it's best to turn steady shot off. Use manual focus or DMF, direct manual focus, for precise control, as autofocus can struggle in low light. Lastly, explore the drive mode. For static scenes, a single shot is sufficient. For dynamic scenes, consider using the continuous shooting mode to capture the perfect moment. Embrace the night with your Sony A7. With these settings, you're equipped to unveil the nocturnal beauty around you, transforming low-light challenges into photographic masterpieces. Explore, experiment, and capture the night like never before. Happy shooting!